Hi everyone, welcome back to Dr. Saurav Sir classes, and we were doing NEET question papers. We were solving these questions from NEET papers, and again NEET 2017 question is right in front of us. Let's do it. So the water potential of pure water is 0, less than 0, more than 0, but less than 1, more than 1. Tell me. So what does the water potential means? What does it mean? It basically means over here, let's come down. It means measure of free energy of water. Okay. Now it determines direction of water movement, direction of water movement. This is also important. So water always move from higher to lower. That is the simplest thing, that higher to lower. Okay. Clear? Now coming to a formula of water. Done. Where solid potential or osmotic potential, and then pressure potential we are talking about. Okay, we are talking about one is yeah. Now what is pure water? Tell me. How can you define something pure water? What is pure water? Pure water means no solute, no pressure applied. Okay, it basically means no solute, no solute, no pressure applied. So it can be written as or applied as 0, no solute, no pressure. Okay. So therefore we can say coming to the concept part. Now pure water has the highest water potential. Okay, pure water has the now tell me one thing, can water potential ever be positive? Can water potential ever be positive? No, almost never. In biological system it can never be positive. Why? Because adding solute means decrease of the potential, so it becomes negative. Okay. Now Effects of solute crucial for understanding. You have to understand these effects of solute. Okay. First we can say add solute, then water molecules bind to solute, okay, then free energy decreases, then it becomes negative. Okay. So, if we write over here solution type, then we come to water potential. First is pure water, it's 0. Then comes dilute solution, slightly negative. Concentrated solution, highly negative. Okay. Clear? So, can we talk like this? If we put a chart over here like this, dilute water नहीं, dilute solution rather you can say. Then comes concentrated solution, and water moves. Downward. Okay. So now let's eliminate option wise. First it's saying 0. Okay. Water potential pure water is, it's saying 0. Yes. That we have done. It's 0. Why? Because pure water equals to maximum free energy, right? Then come less than 0. It's wrong. Why it's wrong? Because this is for solution, not pure water. For solution, pure water. More than 0, again this is also wrong. Why this is wrong? Because it's misconception. Water potential is never positive in standard biology context. Never positive. And more than 1, again completely incorrect. This is not possible. So, the common confusion that we have is more water equals to more potential, equals to positive value, which is wrong. So, maximum value is 0. Maximum value, max value equals to 0. Okay, and everything else is in negative. Everything else in negative. Clear? So we can say pressure applied and water potential increases. So turgid says higher, but so you don't need all these things. Let's not complicate stuff for you. Whatever we have done in class, this is enough. Let's end this video over here, because we have discussed everything over here, and nothing more much or more to explain or to analyze. So even after saying all these things, if you have got some problem, if you see that you have not understood certain questions, you have got some doubt, please do not hesitate to call us. We have given you the number, it's 9062395123. This is Dr. Saurabh's classes number, and we are just a call away from you. If you can call us, ping us, WhatsApp us, and there will be dedicated team members who will help you out, student counselors who can solve your doubts and problems. Okay, have a lovely day, take care, bye bye.